Hello and welcome to Homemade Baking and Drinks, and today I'll be making a cookie dough dessert, pretty much similar to the one at Pizza. And for this you need to preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius, gas mark 4, and 175 grams of self-rising flour, 100 grams of butter, 75 grams of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, depending on how much you like, vanilla. It says 1 large egg, but didn't have any large eggs. Chickens aren't laying big eggs yet, so we've got 2 small eggs, 100 grams of dark chocolate chopped. Put it in freezer for a bit and then get it a good old whack with the rolling pin. And you need 30 milliliters of whole milk, and my measuring jug didn't have any lower than 100, so I just worked it out using a shot glass. And that's all you need to make this recipe. So preheat your oven to 180, gas mark 4, and then chocolate, smash all that up, chop it up finally into a different size, and then next we're going to put the eggs in and the sugar. Just going to give that a good old whisk. And then next you'll need to put all the rest of the mixture in. I usually put in the dry stuff there, so you can put it in last. Just put everything in your bowl, really. Yeah, I'm not an expert baker, just do it for fun, really. But then you want to just add everything in. So vanilla, I'm using a tablespoon. I like a lot of vanilla. The milk in, and then put the chocolate bits in. They're all different sizes. Just get a good old batter. And that's what it should look like. A lot firmer. Does feel like cookie dough. And then next, look at the thing I'm going to put it in, just like a little sort of pie dish. You could use a skillet or maybe some sort of like baking tray, and then you just spoon it in. This should rise a bit when it's in the oven. Then with a spoon, just get a little pat down, make sure it's all in the corners. And then put this into the oven for 15 minutes. And once it's finished baking, leave to stand for around 5 minutes before you add any sauce on or transfer it anywhere. So I'm just going to pop it into on a plate. Try and get this out. It's coming out. You fine. You get odd bits on the edge, then just cut them off. That's what the underneath looks like. Looks pretty nice, to be honest. Pretty much first try. And then that is the cookie dough dessert itself. You could add chocolate on this, marshmallows, or any topping or sauce. And if you like this video, make sure you check out my blog and leave a comment, subscribe below.